Hello again, my name is Grady, and today we're going to discuss the combination of a power of attorney and a personal assistant. A personal assistant is a complementary professional that has the skills in areas you don't. Their primary goal is to free up your time so that you can focus on writing proposals, negotiating contracts, and closing more deals. They are adept at handling tasks that you don't have time for and dealing with things that you don't want to. They often help with managing emails, booking meetings, and business dinners, as well as managing your calendar. If we're going to be frank, if you consider your salary, a PA is also intended to ensure that you maximize your productivity to match the company's investment into your position. PAs are a busy professional's lifeblood. Yet a personal assistant handles so much more than these mundane tasks. As stated already, a strong PA has skills you don't and handles things that you don't have time or interest in doing. This means they must legally act on your behalf. For example, you might have meetings booked for the entire week but have an important piece of mail arriving, or maybe you need to deposit money into the bank, sign a contract you've already looked over, or even file your taxes. While you might assume you have the time to manage these tasks, sometimes life and work get busy, especially if you're in a position that is incredibly time-intensive. In a power of attorney, there are two individuals with a legal name. The agent is the person being granted the power, and the principal granting the power. There are two primary categories that persist through the power of attorney structure: durable and non-durable. A durable power of attorney is more often used in situations where the health of the principal has rendered them incapacitated as it survives the incapacitation, while a non-durable power of attorney ceases to function upon incapacitation. The latter is more beneficial to financially protecting your family, even if you trust your PA wholeheartedly. Within a non-durable power of attorney, you must specify the exact scope of authority you are granting the agent, as well as the expiration of this document, which can be revoked at any time, whereas with a durable power of attorney, the agent can manage all of your affairs without an expiration date. While you can revoke this document, it may cause you trouble in the future, and every bank or post office has the ability to check the validity of the document. There's a specific scope in which this process becomes necessary for professionals, such as a star surgeon who lacks personal time, a chief operations officer overseeing international operations of a large multinational corporation who is always flying between countries, an overwhelmed CEO in a large firm, a famous attorney representing the biggest and most illustrious cases, and more. You get the idea. If you're a small or medium business owner or executive, you're likely not going to need to establish a power of attorney with your PA. Your PA's primary task is to free up your time to make you more effective. In most cases, this can be done if planned accordingly. Before jumping to the pen, evaluate how absolutely necessary it is for you and your PA, and be sure to describe every responsibility you want them to have on paper before creating it. Although it might seem a bit excessive, for some it's a necessity of life. You can tailor your power of attorney to fit your needs, which gives your PA the ability to empower you to be more productive, have more free time, and ultimately close more deals. For power of attorney templates, forms, and documents related to the process, go to USLegalforms.com, where you can find one for your state. That's it for this video. Check out other informative videos on our YouTube channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And join us on social media to join in on the conversation. Until next time.